Hey there, it's Joseph Nelson from Roboflow. I'm going to describe a bit about what computer vision is and how Roboflow makes it easier for you to get started with computer vision development for you and your team. Computer vision is basically helping computers see just as well as, if not better than humans can, to accomplish key tasks. It's a technology that powers things like self-driving combines in cars, the ability to scan our faces on iPhones for FaceID, and the technology that powers mobile banking deposits. Computer vision's in its first inning in terms of the impact that it'll have on our world. I mean, take for example in healthcare, doctors being able to diagnose cancer 4 years earlier because computers see different patterns than what we would see otherwise. Or maybe for example, in agriculture, having tools that can see and separate weeds from crops and use 90% less herbicide to increase yields while also being more sustainable. Even in Des Moines itself, in Gravitate, in small use cases, there's a company that's working on using computer vision to automatically size and understand the size of fish and identify the species properly. There's all these different ways that we're just beginning to see the impact of computer vision on our world. Now, we're really in the first inning of how computer vision is going to change the way we interact with all objects around us. Similar to when the internet first came around and developers were responsible for setting up their databases, setting up their servers, and then they could build their websites, that's kind of how we are for the purposes and current state of computer vision in terms of collecting images, labeling those images, pre-processing, augmenting, and spending time on non-key tasks instead of key business value-adding decisions. That's what Roboflow helps with. Roboflow is like the infrastructure layer that makes it so that data scientists and developers focus on the high value tasks. Almost like instead of a truck driver needing to spend time building their highways, they spend their time getting their freight from point A to point B. Roboflow reduces the time it takes, cost it takes, and increases the productivity of data scientists, developers, and computer vision teams within enterprises. If you're curious about learning more about what we do, visit us at roboflow.ai or send us a message, hello@roboflow.ai. Thanks.